Ay, nagsaba nila. Mana, berihan na to ha, mo ni oh. Wala pa na open. Close.
The little birds are looking for Grandpa Pig's flower seeds.
Sina open na.
Don't worry,
Tingnan
Peppa.
ko.
Mr. Scarecrow
Kuwan
will
na.
scare them off.
Kuwan daw siya.
Shooting.
Yan na.
Mr. Scarecrow has scared the little birds away. Hooray! Oh, good. Now my flower seeds will not be eaten.
Oh, Grandpa, the birds look very sad.
Yes,
What's
they
in the
must be
box?
hungry.
What could it be?
What's that?
Do you want to take something out with me? Nawag si ate.
Inday? Yan na. Kay, kuwan. Gabidyo ta.
Wala, wala plate eh.
Huwag sure di ha.
Grandpa Pig's seeds will not be eaten.
Sige na.
But she is even more glad that the little birds
Pambay natin ni evidence bay ani nato na atuan ni kung unsay sudan ni.
What is Holly?
Granny and Grandpa Pig are going on holiday.
Nakadaot ko to siya message guro nga na-receive niya, deliver na mo na.
Look after her.
Chanchararan, mo na ni ha. Oh, diyan na ang open.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Grandpa Pig. Hello, Granny Pig.
Tananan.
About her holiday with Peppa and George.
Hello, Polly. Hello, Polly.
Everything is said.
What's in Polly's suit?
Mahal man kayo ang gold karon.
Kani gud ako ah. Kuan gud daw. 36,000. Nakaron kung magpabuhat ka. 5 grams.
Polly likes bird seed.
So pila na ning ako ah.
Can I feed her, Granny Pig?
Pila ka grams nimo?
Amba pila? 3 grams?
It's very important not to
Gaan
give
na,
Polly too much food.
5 grams lang siguro ni.
Pila man na?
Grandpa, can Polly come out of the cave?
Naay ano na ay.
But you must keep all the doors and
May
windows
natubok
closed
ka.
so Polly doesn't
750.
fly away.
Yes, Grandpa Pig.
Ito na
Goodbye,
sudan.
Peppa. Goodbye, George.
Goodbye, Granny Pig. Goodbye, Grandpa Pig.
Pila ni kakarat?
Makakabal sila nito. Ay, dili tanggalan kay pinto.
22 karat ni?
Dili. Ang inches niya
George has
katas
got
kung
Polly's
daw.
bird seed.
Ito na nato.
George, that is too much bird seed. Polly will go very
Okay na ni?
and burst like a balloon. Pop!
Oh, mani siya ang pintas sa...
What's that noise?
Ice cream! Ice cream! Hooray!
Oh dear, George has forgotten to close the door.
Ice cream! Ice cream!
It is Miss Rabbit, the ice cream lady.
Cute na kayo ang 30,000 karon no?
4 ice creams, please.
Sa una dako na kayo na.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
Inot gid sa una mo palit.
Okay, 3.
George,
Okay
you
na.
forgot